Okay, in this course, I'm going to teach you how to paint portraits. Now, portrait painting is a pretty complex skill, and when you're trying to learn a complex skill, the best thing to do is to break it down into sub-skills, and then focus on one sub-skill at a time. This isn't a course where you just watch me paint a bunch of portraits. I wanted to replicate as best I could what it would be like if you came to my studio for a 6-day class on portraits. This is exactly what I would teach. Now, it's broken down to 6 days, but you can go through it at whatever speed you like. There is no time limit on this course. On the first day, I go over my materials and my setup for portrait painting, and then I give you your first assignment, which is to choose one of the 3 models to paint a portrait of. This first portrait is going to be a great test and a snapshot at where you are at the beginning of the course. Then for the next 4 days of the course, you'll be going through a series of lectures, demonstrations, and exercises with the model you chose. And each day you're focusing on one aspect or sub-skill of portrait painting. Also, each section has student example critique videos where I critique students' work so you can learn from their mistakes and diagnose problems in your own work. So by the last day of the course, you are more than prepared to put all of these sub-skills back together and paint the final portrait and do one of your best paintings. When I first ran students through this course, I was amazed at some of the transformations that happen in just these 6 days. But the course doesn't stop after 6 days, not if you don't want it to, because you can go back through the course with the other 2 models. I wanted to make sure this wasn't just a one and done course, that it's something you will return to again and again. All right, so that's the course. I'm Chris Fornatero, here telling you to go get painting.